Sustainable construction isn't just a buzzword, it's a necessity. As we find ourselves in the midst of a global climate crisis, we're reminded of the urgency to adapt our behaviors and industries, and construction is no exception. In fact, the construction industry plays an integral role in this transformation, with its vast potential to reduce carbon emissions and waste, while also promoting energy efficiency and biodiversity. So what exactly is sustainable construction? It's a method of creating structures and using processes that are environmentally responsible and resource efficient. From the design phase through construction, operation, maintenance, renovation, and even demolition, sustainability is an essential thread. But why does it matter? Simply put, sustainable construction is a catalyst for a healthier environment, economic vitality, and social equity. It's about constructing a future that is not just structurally sound, but also environmentally and socially resilient. Sustainable construction is more than just a trend, it's a necessary step towards a greener, healthier planet. Ever heard of LEED certification? Let's break down what it means. LEED, or Leadership in Energy and Environmental Design, is a globally recognized symbol of sustainability, achievement, and leadership. It's the most widely used green building rating system in the world and provides a framework for healthy, highly efficient, and cost-saving green buildings. But how does it work, you ask? LEED certification works on a point system. A project earns points for meeting various green building criteria. The more points a project earns, the higher its LEED rating for. From certified to silver, gold, and finally the pinnacle of green building, platinum. This system encourages builders to go above and beyond in their efforts towards sustainability. The significance of LEED cannot be overstated. It's a game changer for green construction. LEED-certified buildings are designed to lower operating costs, reduce waste sent to landfills, conserve energy and water, be healthier and safer for occupants, and reduce harmful greenhouse gas emissions. Not to mention, they demonstrate an owner's commitment to environmental stewardship and social responsibility. But it's not just about the environment. LEED buildings attract tenants, cost less to operate, and boost employee productivity and retention. They're a win-win for everyone involved. With LEED certification, builders are not just constructing buildings, but they're building a sustainable future. So the next time you see a LEED plaque on a building, remember it's more than just a badge. It's a commitment to a better, greener world. Now, join us as we explore the world of innovative green building materials. These materials are not just a trend, but a revolution in the construction industry, paving the way for a more sustainable future. First up, let's talk about recycled and reclaimed wood. By reusing wood from deconstructed buildings or fallen trees, we can reduce the demand for new lumber, conserving our forests and reducing carbon emissions. Plus, each piece of reclaimed wood carries with it a unique history and character, adding an extra layer of charm to any building. Next, we delve into the world of cutting-edge insulation solutions. Traditional insulation often contains harmful chemicals and can be energy-intensive to produce. However, new green insulation options, such as sheep's wool or recycled denim, are changing the game. These materials are not only renewable and biodegradable, but they also provide excellent thermal performance, keeping buildings warm in winter and cool in summer. But these are just the tip of the iceberg when it comes to green building materials. From bamboo, a rapidly renewable resource, to straw bales, an excellent natural insulator, there's a whole universe of eco-friendly options out there. The benefits of using these materials go beyond just being good for the planet. They can improve indoor air quality, reduce energy costs, and even increase the value of a property. As you can see, these green materials are not just eco-friendly, but they also offer numerous practical advantages. Next up, learn about passive solar design and its role in maximizing energy efficiency. If you're wondering what passive solar design means, it's a building technique that takes advantage of the sun's energy to heat and cool buildings. It's all about using the sun's heat to our advantage, reducing the need for artificial heating and cooling systems. Imagine a house that stays comfortably warm in winter and cool in summer without consuming much energy. That's passive solar design for you. It uses building orientation, window placement, and insulation to achieve optimal thermal comfort. But it's not just about comfort, it's also about reducing our reliance on fossil fuels and thus our carbon footprint. By integrating passive solar design into our buildings, we're not just saving on energy bills, we're making a positive impact on our environment. Passive solar design is a brilliant way to make the most of nature's resources while minimizing our impact on the environment. In this last segment, we'll showcase inspiring case studies of projects that have successfully implemented sustainable construction practices. Let's start with the Bullitt Center in Seattle, a 6-story structure that's been dubbed the greenest commercial building in the world. It's a living example of how sustainable construction can result in a self-sufficient building. It generates its own energy, captures and uses rainwater, and even processes its own waste. Then there's the Pixel Building in Melbourne, Australia. This building achieved the highest Green Star rating ever awarded, and it's not hard to see why. It features a living roof, a grey water system, and a facade designed to maximize daylight and reduce energy consumption. On the domestic front, we have the Push House in Florida. This home was built with a focus on energy efficiency and durability. It features solar panels, a rainwater collection system, and a design that takes advantage of natural light and ventilation. Across the pond in Wales, we find the Thai Solar Homes. These homes are built using locally sourced timber and are designed to be energy efficient, affordable, and quick to build. They're a brilliant example of sustainable housing in action. These success stories show us that sustainable construction is not just feasible, but it also leads to incredible results. So next time you think about construction, think green, think sustainable, and remember that the future of construction is already here. That's a wrap for today's episode of Dirt Talk TV. We've journeyed through the importance of sustainable construction, the significance of LEED certification, innovative green building materials, the role of passive solar design in energy efficiency, and inspiring case studies of sustainable projects. If you're keen on staying updated with the evolving construction industry, do subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to ring that notification bell. Remember, the construction industry is evolving and we're here to keep you informed. Until next time, keep building with purpose and sustainability in mind. Thanks for watching.